Hi guys, Bronte here. Welcome to a whole house clean with me. I'm going to be sharing my morning cleaning routine with you. Now I don't do every single thing every morning, but most of this stuff is my morning routine and I can't wait to share it with you. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 6.
There's no time, we used it all. Still have so much I want to talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. There you go.
Today we are going to be tackling the mess throughout the house. We have guests coming to town, so I need to get the house looking spick and span for them. I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 4.5-year-old little boy and a 1.5-year-old little girl, so there is always plenty of mess to be cleaned up. I have a ton of cleaning motivation on my channel every single week, so if you are new here and that's the thing for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stick around and join the YouTube family over here on my channel. So today we are going to be starting in the kitchen. Naturally, I have a ton of dishes to do every single day, whether it's unloading the dishwasher, loading the dishwasher, washing them by hand. So today we are starting by unloading the dishwasher that we had ran the night before, and then I'm going to tackle the dishes in the sink and get the sink, the counters, the island, and the dining table all nice and cleaned up.
There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late.
Like I said in the very beginning of the video, this is my morning cleaning routine. There was no getting ready before this video. This is me in my pajamas, hair up, all a mess, no makeup on, probably makeup under my eyes from the other night. And this is just my realistic morning cleaning routine, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. I was super unmotivated to clean this morning, but I knew that I had to get it done, so I figured I'm gonna get the camera out and maybe this will get other people motivated who were feeling like me to get their cleaning done, give you that motivation to go and get it done. And if you are enjoying this video so far, do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up and leave me a Christmas tree emoji down below so that I know you're still with me. So many crumbs on our stovetop, so I just got the vacuum out and vacuumed them up because it was either pushing them on the floor and vacuuming up that way or vacuuming them up off of the stove. And then I am going to be using Thieves Cleaner around my kitchen, on the countertops, on the stove, on the island, on the dining table, pretty much any surface in my kitchen. I'm going to be using this to clean.
And your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Now I'm just gonna vacuum up the kitchen area, the dining area, and get all the crumbs off the floor because my biggest pet peeve is having crumbs sticking to my feet when I walk around. What is your biggest pet peeve? Also, look how cute my little vacuum helper is. She loves helping me. Both of my kids love helping me clean, so I am so excited for Christmas because we got them their own kids cleaning stuff. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I cannot wait to share it with them. It is seriously so adorable, and I can't wait for them to be cleaning behind me in my cleaning videos with their very own cleaning supplies. And as you can see here, I am vacuuming my couch. I'm using my Shark Rocket upright vacuum. I'm obsessed with this vacuum. I got it on Black Friday in 2018. It was on sale again for Black Friday this year, and I'm sure it will be on sale again very soon because this vacuum is always on sale and it is such a good quality vacuum. The only thing that I do not like about it is the fact that it is not cordless, but other than that, it's amazing, has amazing suction power, and it works so well. So if you are in the market for a new vacuum, definitely check this one out. I will have it linked below. Straighten up this living room. I need to put all of the toys away, hide them in this ottoman so that I can vacuum up the floors in here because this place is a hot mess. There's random stuff all over the floor. There's crumbs on the floor and we just need to clean everything up. As you can see, all of my holiday decor is up and I am so excited about it. It makes the home feel so much cozier. What holidays do you guys celebrate? Leave me a comment down below. I want to know. Have you decorated yet? I want to know what holidays you're celebrating. If you've decorated, I love having my home decorated. It makes it feel so cozy and I just love all of my Christmas decor. It is simple, but it is traditional and it's still pretty, at least in my opinion. Okay, so as you can see, I have changed into my workout pants. We are about to get it going, sister. We're gonna do some serious cleaning here. First, we're starting with laundry though, because mom life, there's always laundry to be done. And my daughter loves to help me do the laundry.
All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
We're gonna move on to cleaning up the bathrooms. This bathroom is pretty gross, and this is our half bathroom downstairs, so it definitely needs to be cleaned up. And I'm just gonna use some disinfectant wipes to wipe everything down, clean the toilet with Clorox bleached cleaning gel, and whenever I clean the toilet, I like to wipe around it with disinfectant wipes or use a disinfectant spray and wipe that up. And then I'm also just going to clean up the sink really quick and get any water spots off of that.
The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me.
Y'all, we are moving on to tackling the little munchkin's bathroom. I need to get this place looking great because this also serves as our guest bathroom when we have people staying with us. So I'm gonna clean up the shower, clean up the toilets, clean up the sink, clean up the mirrors, pretty much clean everything in here and get it all nice and clean for our guests.
I really tried to keep you away from my mind, and I tell you this ain't no lie, but I've done my best to find someone new to give all my time. But all I wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside. I need to stop reminiscing. I still wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I need to stop reminiscing. inside out. That is why you call me in the night. Oh, and these days when
I'm going to work on straightening up the loft, vacuuming it, dusting it, and getting it all nice and clean because this area also serves as our guest bedroom. We do not have a guest bedroom, so when we have guest stay, they have to stay in our loft / play area / my husband's gaming station. So I gotta get this place looking clean for them because, I mean, with kids, it never stays clean, but we can try. We can aim for it to be clean, and that can just be enough. So I'm gonna straighten this up before I move on to any of our bedrooms. And then I love making my bed. It gets me so motivated throughout the day. So I'm gonna get my bed made, make it look nice, and like I actually tried today. And I always feel so much better once my bed is made. What is something that you have to do every day to get yourself motivated? Whether it's making your bed, having a super nice cup of coffee, what is it that you do to get yourself motivated in the mornings?
when I need to stop reminiscing. I just wanna make you feel alright. When I'm
to straightening up the kids' rooms. I have some laundry to put away. Stuff needs to be picked up. I have some vacuuming to do. So I'm gonna put everything away that needs to be put away, hang up all the laundry, vacuum the floors in the kids' bedrooms, and then I'm also going to vacuum the floors in my bedroom as well. I love carpet lines, so I love vacuuming, and I find it so relaxing and so soothing. I just love vacuuming, and I love my vacuum, so that helps too.
Drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
To get my bathroom a little bit cleaned up. I'm not going to do a deep cleaning in here because nobody will be in here but me and my husband. I definitely just want to wipe everything down, give it a nice surface clean the counters, and then clean the toilets as well. But I'm not going to be scrubbing the shower in here today because I just didn't have time. I was running out of time. We had a birthday party to go to. So this is just as good as it's gonna get. It looks clean, it smells clean, it's clean enough for me today.
Baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
I hope that this video has given you the motivation you might be needing to get your cleaning done, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So if you haven't already, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new around here, stick around and subscribe for more cleaning motivation every single week. We're currently in the midst of Vlogmas, and we would love to have you stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being a part of my YouTube family. I am so thankful for all of you, and I hope that you have a very merry, very happy holiday season. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.
Following the season.